Hello everyone, welcome to Friday Business Stories, where I share business stories for boardroom business leaders and CEOs. Today's story starts somewhere in 2004 when a snowboarding lover, Toby Luke, thought of selling snowboards online. He had a couple of challenges that time. The first big challenge was all the softwares for online shopping and e-commerce were designed for big companies. They were complex and they required big infrastructure. He couldn't afford that being a startup. So he was forced to design his own software, which was light and it could run on small infrastructure. The second challenge which he faced eventually was snowboarding is a seasonal business. So by 2006, he realized it's not going anywhere and he thought of shutting it down. And at that point, he realized the only thing which is working fine in his company is the software which he designed. So he thought, why not to use it for other business vendors to use that as online platform? And he started Shopify. Yes, this is the story of Shopify. He started giving that software to small entrepreneurs and they started selling it online. Fast forward 2008, crisis hits, many small entrepreneurs want to go online and this software helped them. Again, fast forward, when the COVID hit, entire world wanted to go online. And this is the point where Shopify excelled and it became a $1 billion company. So the lesson which we have here for business leaders is that you may be obsessed with one of your product or services, but you have no idea the gold mine is sitting next to you. So as a board member, as a business leader, look at the bigger picture and not only get obsessed with your product and services, but see what all things are we creating, what problems are we solving. Maybe our own problem which we are facing, other vendors are also facing it. So be ready to change your line of business, but don't change the way you're solving the problem. The second thing is that always think big, always think bigger business, because the more you think global, the more you can pivot in business. I give this example to all my business leaders and business clients that if you're a snail and you're sitting over here, at the same point, if the lion is there, or if the giraffe is there, or if an eagle is flying, they are all at the same point, but they are seeing entirely different reality. An eagle can see much bigger picture. So when you start your career, you can be here. But as you grow to CEO and board member and business leader, the more you see the bigger picture, the better solutions you can provide. If you like this story, subscribe to Friday Stories and share with some of your business leaders. It may help them. See you next time.